Hi, welcome back to our Tech World channel. In last episode, we have explored all about the technology. So I got the idea. I think I need to choose a YouTube channel to increasing my worth or passive income in 2024. So let's move to the YouTube channel and explore everything about the YouTube channel, like what are the important things before channel and after the channel. So let me explore. So first of all, when we choose a YouTube channel, generally, then we need to keep in mind some important things like what I choose the channel name, channel niche, and what type of content I need to create. If we want to continue with YouTube channel, then we need to keep in mind some important things like first channel logo, or we can also use the profile picture as a channel logo. The second one is channel banner. Channel banner that showcase our channel reputation, like what type of content we have. So a new visitor can easily see these details on our banner. The second thing is the third thing is YouTube channel description. The channel the third thing is YouTube channel description. Description is the most important part of the YouTube channel, where the new visitor or subscribers or uh, new somebody can take a look to our channel and read all the details, like what type of content we have and what we can upload on the and what we can upload on this channel. The fourth part is YouTube channel tags. Tags are basically helping the YouTube ranking, like if anybody search on the YouTube search box, like if I am exploring about the technology field, like I do explore passive income ideas, then I will put the details and click on the search box. Then I will see the different types of the videos on the search results. So basically, if we use good tags related to the video, then we will see our video on the search result. Hope you understand. These are the important things related to the YouTube channel. As I discussed the all details about the channel setup, there are simple steps of the channel. So we need to move for the professional things. Like if we want to start a channel for a professional use, then we need to keep in mind, we need to focus on the some important things like channel homepage design, channel intro, channel outro, and proper playlist setups, then everything all about the YouTube channel. If you are thinking to grow your YouTube channel for a long term, or get and want to get the success ASAP, then you need to keep in mind, you need to follow the following structure, like strategy plan that will help you to grow in the little amount of the time. So I think if you follow the if you follow the hard work for the 3 months, then you can also achieve the monetization goal, like 1000 subscriber or 4000 hours of watch time. If we move for the videos, then I will suggest you need to 2 to 3 videos per week, but you need to make sure you have less videos, but you need to focus on the quality content. If you have a quality content and unique video, then you can achieve the viewers more than you want. If you have a local video, like they have multiple competitions and the low quality and the other things are the missing. So I think you need to stop here and don't need to move next. So I always recommend you need to keep on mind, you need to focus on the quality content, also everything about your viewers want. Then you can get the success in a short period of time. So if you follow the 3 videos per week, then you need to keep in mind, you need to analyze the data of the viewers, I think every second day or third day. So it will be helpful to understand the viewers, what your viewers want and why they want to subscribe your channel. And you need to focus on the comment section. You need to follow the all steps, like if anybody asks a question related to any query of your video, then you need to move forward and the, respond their comments as possible. Okay. And you need to keep in mind, you need to focus on the weekly analytic report that will help you to how much viewers come to your channel, and how much and how much percent of your viewers have subscribed your channels, like how much time they have spent to your channel, and what type of age they have, like 18 to 24, 25 to 30, or how much type of age they have. And you can also focus on the content, how much subscriber, how much viewers are male or female. So it will help you to understand and improve, and will help to improve your content for this specific viewers. So these are the important things if you want to be a successful YouTuber or be a successful business partner. Then you need to keep in mind everything all about these details.